K-pop 12 for inviting us here and let us promote original Filipino music. Maraming salamat po sa K-pop community for giving us a stage to somehow promote our own music as well. Kaya maraming salamat po. Kaya papakilala po muna kami. 1 to 6. Always one. Hello, we are Sixes.
Hi, my name is Axie. Hello everyone, my name is Ruka. Hello, I'm Kaiser. Hi, I'm Ellie. Hello everyone, my name is Hunter.
K-pop 12! Hello po, I'm Luigi. Yun. So, the song I just heard is our comeback single and it's called Amin Amin. Pwede niyo pong siyang i-stream sa lahat ng digital music streaming platform. And also you can stream our YouTube music video as well. Ayan, streaming po yan. And ipopromote po namin ang aming social media.
And of course, you can follow us on our social media accounts, sa X, sa Facebook, sa YouTube, and of course we have a website which is www.sixsenseofficial.com. So you can follow us there. Doon po kami mag-update ng mga events po namin para masundan niyo po yung aming journey sa P-pop industry.
Again, maraming salamat po. May sabihin ka ba? Brooks, may sabihin ka ba? Wala na?
Thank you so much po!
Ako meron! Before matapos ng taon, umamin na kayo. Di ba? Yun mo. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng fandom na nandito na nag-gather. Maraming salamat po. Muli, kami ang Sixes! Thank you po!